Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sama Tabuk International Schools, and we study science together. Today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about session 3, lesson 1. What are some groups of living things? Last session we talked about the groups of plants. Today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about the groups of animals. Okay, animal groups. You can find this in the book, page 62. Okay, let's watch through this video together to know more about the lesson.
Plants and animals are living things. Scientists group living things in different ways. You can group things by size, color, and shape. This rat and prairie dog don't look alike, but they are about the same size. Look at this bird and fish. They are about the same color. This house cat may be much smaller than this panther, but they do have the same shape. Another way to group animals is if they have a backbone. A backbone is the set of bones along the middle of the back. Mammals, such as this moose, have a backbone. Insects like this bee don't have backbones, but all insects do have 6 legs. Plants can be placed into different groups. Some plants can grow flowers and seeds, like this beautiful sunflower. Some plants do not have flowers. Some plants have cones. Seeds grow inside the cones. Some plants do not have flowers or cones. These plants do not make any seeds. These plants often grow in wet places. Got it? Sure you do.
Okay, I'm sure you do got it. Okay guys, so today we're gonna talk about scientists make groups of animals or they classify animals or make classes or groups of animals. First one is animals with backbone, the other is animals without backbone. What is backbone? Backbone is, as you see, like this bones set in the middle of the back. Okay, this bones set in the middle of the back of the fish, birds, cows, lizard, even us. We have backbone. Is the set of bones, those bones along the middle of the back. You can feel it by your hand. You can find some bones, tall bones along of your back in the middle. You can find it with your hand. You can feel it. Okay, so this is backbone. As you see here, it's on the middle of the back, along on the middle of the back. It's bones. Okay guys, so not all animals have backbones. So scientists make 2 groups of animals. First one with backbone, like those animals. The other one without backbones, like ants and honeybees. Okay, if we look here, you can find the first group, animals with backbone. Animals with backbones have 5 groups. Today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about 3 of them: mammals, birds, fish. Next time, inshallah, next session, we're gonna talk about reptiles and amphibians. So you all know birds have wings, fish live in water, but we don't know much about mammals. So let's watch the next videos together to know more about mammals, birds, and fish.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about mammals. Mammal is the name for a large group of animals. They are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. And unlike reptiles and amphibians, they are warm-blooded. Mammals can also be recognized by their fur or hair, and they feed their babies milk. Mammals are highly adaptable. They live on every continent.
Okay guys, if we look at all animals here, those all have fur like this, bear here, fur cover its body, or they have hair cover its body like our hair. Yeah, we have hair. And so those animals or mammals have fur or hair, like this panda here have fur cover its body, and those animals get birth. They get birth like here it have fur. Okay, they get birth and they give, mothers give the babies milk. Mother give the babies milk like us. And guys, those animals, those mammals already have backbones like us people. We are mammals. Cats, dogs, this fox, we can find maybe cow, most like we see in the first of the last video. So guys, we have a lot of mammals. We know them how they have hair or fur cover its body. They get birth like us, have birthday, yes, and they, mommies or mothers, give babies milk. Super guys. Let's talk more about birds.
Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn about our friends, the birds. They're so diverse and there are so many colours and shapes, it's fun to learn about them. For example, this tiny little hummingbird doesn't look anything like this huge ostrich. And these penguins don't look much like this peacock.
So guys, here we talk about, can you tell me? We talk about birds back. Let's back. So guys, if we look at this peacock, it is bird. Excellent. It's a bird and it have wings. And can you tell me the body of this peacock or the body of birds are covered with what? Hair? No. Fur? No. It's feathers. Feathers, guys. Those are feathers. Excellent. Feathers. So birds have wings and its body covered with feathers. Super guys. Let's watch the next video to know more about fish.
Hello friends, welcome to a new happy learning video. Today we're going to learn about the wettest animals on the planet. Presenting the fish.
Okay guys, if we look here at those fish, it's, yes, the clownfish, or you know the cartoon of Nemo. Yes, those fish have backbones and its body covered with what? Feathers? No. Hair? No. Fur? No. Its body covered with small things called scales. Scales, okay? Scales. Its body covered with scales. And of course, fish lives in water. Excellent, guys. Good job. So if we back to our book and we look at page 62, we can find animals group. One group of animal have backbones, as we know. So first, mammals like this mouse, and it have fur or hair. Number two, birds have backbones too, and it covers with feathers like this oriole. Okay. Number three fish have backbones like this rockfish, and it covers with scales. Super scales, super guys. So if we look at the booklet, we can find this nice table. It have our animals with backbones. It's the 5 groups. Today we talk about the first 3: mammals, birds, and fish. Okay guys, we have some new words for today. First, who can tell me what's in the picture? Backbone. Backbone. It's a bones along the middle of the back. Okay. Number 2, who can tell me this animal belong to which group? This animal have hair. It have hair like us, and it get birth. It have a birthday. Yes. And mothers give babies milk. So this is mammals or bird? Who can tell? Mammals, of course. Super guys. Okay, if we look here, we can find this bird. It have wings, and its body covers with scales? No, feathers. Feathers. Excellent guys. Third word today, we have this fish. It's a nice fish. It lives in water, and its body covered with small things called feathers. No, scales. Scales. Super. It's the third word. Okay, let's back. Thanks for watching, guys. This is all for today. See you next time, inshallah. Bye, guys.